Hi, my name's Ashley and I'm the designer with Level Up Group. Welcome to our beautifully renovated basement project located in Oakville. Please join me as I show you around the basement. Coming to the basement, I take my measurements of the space. It was completely unfinished, open, and I had many ideas running through my head of what we could do. The clients were wonderful to work with. Initial meeting, we sit down, they tell me their wants, their needs, what's suitable for them and their family. So after that initial meeting, I was able to send them over a 3D drawing of their basement. From that, I was able to put the furniture inside. They were able to see how their basement would actually look in real time. And from then, I made their dream into a reality. In this area, we did a custom feature wall here with drywall shelves on either side. The beautiful tile that we use is a 24 by 48 porcelain tile with a 100-inch electric fireplace just below. We have our gym. So this is a beautiful custom gym that we use with black hardware. Come on in. The main focus for the clients was to have a gym for them so they can work out in at home. So we wanted to give them exactly what they needed. So the main idea was to leave it very open and airy, which we accomplished that through the glass wall and this mirror wall. We have this beautiful bathroom. So the main idea, what they wanted is to have a very open and large space. So what we did a glass shower with a custom sauna right beside it. We finished this bathroom with beautiful 24 by 24 black porcelain tiles for the bathroom floor along with the shower walls. We also finished it with black fixtures, black hardware, and white mosaic floors. Last but not least, my personal favorite of the basement is the theater room. Come on in. The whole idea of this was to create a very warm and cozy home theater for the clients to come to watch movies with their family. What we decided to do was obviously the main focus of the theater room would be this beautiful star ceiling with LED strips all around it. We really want to create a feel of a real theater, so we created a platform with the vinyl flooring. Along the platform, we finished with pot lights all around it and lighting from underneath the chairs. On either side of both walls, we have these beautiful lightings to give it a warm, cozy feel of the space. Overall, I was very excited about this space. I was able to use my creative thoughts and put it into this beautiful basement. I felt very accomplished. The clients were very happy of the outcome, and I was able to see their vision come to life.